Good morning, students. Now we are going to start before the refining techniques. One more refining techniques is there, but before we are going to the start refining techniques, production of iron from the ore. So how to extract it of the iron from the ore? Now this is one extractions of the ore from extractions of iron from the ore. See here, the iron is extracted from its oxide ore such as hematite and magnetite. This is the most important point, my dear students. Generally, the iron is extracted from the hematite Fe2O3 and magnetite Fe3O4 by heating mixture of calcinated ore and limestone and cinnamon. Limestone and here coke with blast of hot air in the blast furnace. Due to occurrence of the exothermic reaction temperature gradient, it is set up in the furnace. So my dear students, listen carefully. Synonym, actually iron is extracted by using of hematite and magnetite along with, so for example I will take hematite Fe2O3 plus limestone and plus coke. So these three mixers are mixed together. Listen carefully. Now your target is to extractions of iron. So how this extractions of iron to extracted in the blast furnace, that is called blast furnace. It's one of the apparatus, big apparatus. So iron is extracted from the blast furnace. In this blast furnace, first of all, in the first step, now we will collected ore. It's nothing but hematite or magnetite, and the ore is added to limestone. Limestone means CaCO3. So what is the use to added limestone? Later we will explain. So first of all, ore plus limestone plus coke. Ore plus limestone plus coke, the entire substance sent into the blast furnace. See picture here carefully. This is the blast furnace, my dear students. See carefully. So this is a blast furnace is sealed with bricks. Inside huge heat is produced. See first of all how to extracted of, listen carefully, how to do extractions of the iron from the hematite or Fe2O3 or Fe2O4. So first of all, ore plus limestone and coke sent through the top of the blast furnace. This is the top of the blast furnace. See first of all, this is the exhausted gases. So after enter into this mixer, after here inside, listen carefully, inside blast of air and oxygen through in this pipe, hot air is going on inside of the blast furnace. This side and this side hot air is going on inside of the blast furnace. Now see here, first of all what happened, Fe2O3. So already mixer is there. What is the mixer? Fe iron ore plus limestone and coke. So first of all what happened, the Fe2O3 the ore already here oxygen is sent. Oxygen is sent means this oxygen reacted with coke. Appo enna form achi carbon monoxide. So from this mixer carbon reacted with oxygen, hot oxygen, carbon monoxide is formed. See carefully my dear students. Appo enna ichina 3Fe2O3 plus carbon monoxide, because carbon monoxide where is present, from the substances from the mixer coke plus down oxygen connected together, carbon monoxide is formed. This carbon monoxide reacted with iron ore. This carbon monoxide reacted with iron ore, it's converted into Fe3O4 plus carbon dioxide. Fe3O4 plus carbon dioxide. Okay ma? Is the first step. What is the first step? From the mixer, coke is reacted with oxygen, it's converted into carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide reacted with iron ore, then to form Fe3O4 plus carbon dioxide. So unnecessary carbon dioxide send outside, exhausted gases. So after that here Fe2O3 is there. This Fe2O3 again reacted with carbon monoxide. Upon NiH, FeO is formed because of additional oxygen is removed as a carbon dioxide. Then FeO is formed. This FeO plus carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is also eliminated. And this is the first step in the blast furnace to extractions of the iron. See carefully, my dear students. See carefully, my dear students. In the first step, ore 3Fe2O3 is reacted with carbon monoxide. Is converted into 2Fe3O4 plus carbon dioxide. So already I explained carbon monoxide how to form. This is the first step. And second one is Fe3O4 again reacted with additional carbon monoxide, then FeO plus carbon dioxide is formed. So from Fe2O3 conversion into the FeO metal oxide, Fe2O3 conversion into the metal oxide. This is the first step in the blast furnace. In the second step, already first of all what combinations are used? Ore plus limestone plus carbon, coke. This is the combination of the mixer. So already coke work is done. What is the coke work? This coke is reacted with oxygen to remove of additional percentage of oxygen from the ore. And now the work is going on right now, limestone. So what to do limestone here? Limestone actually what happened? CaCO3 limestone. In that inside of the blast furnace, the CaCO3 is separated of calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. See, my dear students, now this calcium oxide act as a basic impurities. Basic flux, not impurities, basic flux. This if inside of the blast furnace, silicon dioxide impurities are there, because of this is acidic flux. So inside of the blast furnace or inside of the FeO is extra SiO2 impurities are there. Upon the limestone decomposed into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, this calcium oxide reacted with SiO2 then to form CaSiO3. This is calcium silicate, it's called slag. So you know, the my dear students, what is the importance of here? See, ore, limestone, coke. What is important of the coke? First of all, coke is reacted with oxygen. After that, the excess amount of the oxygen from the ore is removed. Okay, na? This is the work from the carbon. And limestone, what is the work of limestone? First of all, limestone inside of the blast furnace under high temperature, it's converted into basic plus and carbon dioxide. So basic flux, if any one of the acidic impurities present in the